What do you have on your hand?
I have a Buggy.
Okay. And where did you get it from?
The Tamiya shop.
And your t-shirt, what does it say?
It says Afrodust.
Do you think they should
RC.
subscribe?
Huh?
Do you think they should subscribe to Afrodust RC?
Definitely.
To see what?
A lot of Afrodust RC car videos.
Cool. So, you have a Buggy. Is it a Grasshopper?
Yes. It's called the Grasshopper. And it's in team. And it's in 35.
It's a Tamiya.
Yeah.
So it's one of the latest products. So it uses just normal batteries. So you can open the back here and then you put 4 batteries. It doesn't use a LiPo battery. It uses the AA batteries.
Yeah.
And everything is stock. So we haven't changed anything yet. Hold it. So we haven't changed anything yet, but you can probably...
It's very springy.
It's very springy, so maybe you
The
can...
shocks are so good.
The shocks are good?
Yep, very good.
And what else?
And when you move it like this, it goes like one wheel is for going to the front, and one wheel is going to the back.
Oh, so they go the different directions?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Oh, that makes sense. So
To make it a bit faster.
Okay, cool. So what are you planning to change? You were telling me about changing some parts.
I wanted to change the motor.
You want to change the motor?
Yeah.
And what else?
The wheels.
Also the wheels?
Yeah, the wheels. You know that white, like this flat, you have them upstairs. And I think they'll fit that.
Ah, okay.
I want to add those wheels.
But you know that those ones are for another build. I have a Subaru that I need to build from also Tamiya.
Cool.
But we can exchange. You have to buy your own stuff. It's your first RC car, right?
Yeah, very fast.
No, fast meaning one.
Yeah, first. Very first.
And do you have the tools?
No.
We have to get you the
Get
tools.
The tools.
So we have to get you your own tools, right?
But if I want a bigger motor, I have to change the whole back here.
You have to change it by yourself. This one I'm not helping you. I'll just give you the tools and then now you can build it by yourself. So you're ready for that?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So we need some tools. What else? Motor.
The parts I need, like the motor.
And the battery, you're leaving it with the AA or you want to change into a small LiPo battery?
I wanted to. If I have a bigger motor, I'll need a LiPo.
A bigger battery.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay, what do you think about it again?
It's a bit slow compared to the real RC car.
But do you think it's a good start?
Yeah.
Well, what do you say to the people?
Bye-bye.
Very cool.
There are so many batteries in here. They have about 10.
Spare batteries.
Yeah.
It has
Well, I only need 2 here.
It has a case where you can put the spare batteries. Well, that was the new Tamiya Grasshopper. And my son wanted it and I thought maybe it's a good introduction for him with RCs. He's allowed to change the motors, customize it, change whatever it feels like. Remember to like, remember to subscribe. It's the Afrodust RC.